Alright, I got my computer right here, and we're going to connect to my Raspberry Pi. This is a demonstration that GPS is transmitting out, and so I'm currently around Boston, and as you can see that 42 degrees north, 71 west, matches up basically perfectly with the lat long we're getting out. I'm in an apartment building, so it's been detecting me up like about 100 feet, which is kind of close. I'm on the fourth, fifth-ish floor, so it's overshooting by like ×2. But I get better and worse locks. It just depends. Anyway, let's go walk over to my drone. He's on a little umbilical cord right now, but I have my GPS monitor right there, and we're gonna plug him in now. Alright, and then I'm going to drop my umbilical cord. Alright, so we have transition power. Alright, fly this sucker. A little stand now. Alright, and so now arm. And we're just going to fly. Now, it's very difficult to show at the same time, however, I am still actually getting GPS data. And if I were to log in on my other computer right here, and I can just bring it over just to show this here. Let's see, give it a second. And we're still getting GPS data. Well, now we're getting our lock as well. But that's just the position of the craft. It's still transmitting out. It's a little confused, but it works. Thank you so much.